crashing to the ground. You can currently see after what happened 2 days ago when Bitcoin actually pumped all the way from $26,000 up to $28,000 plus, about $28,200 plus in the market, right? Then I actually told you guys, I actually made a video and tell you guys that this, I'm not actually trusting this huge pump. I'm not actually trusting this huge pump, but because I'm actually seeing that this have not actually taken the liquidity zone that is currently below it, right? Bitcoin have to see the have to actually take those liquidity zone before actually tracing back to the upside, before actually tracing back to the upside. Assuming Bitcoin take this liquidity zone that was below it, right? You can actually see more space and a very huge falling candle that actually happened recently, which take Bitcoin to about $25,000 in the crypto market, right? That was a very massive dump in the crypto market. Right now, Bitcoin is actually breaking down. You can actually see that Bitcoin is actually breaking down. That happened yesterday, and today candle, because I'm actually looking at the 1 day time frame, you can actually see today candle Bitcoin is actually now breaking down again, right? And we can actually see the move here after pumping up to the upside, right? After pumping up to the upside, then we break down. Actually told you guys know that this structure does not actually make sense, right? This structure does not actually make sense as far as Bitcoin have not actually taken this liquidity zone below it, right? Bitcoin need to actually take that liquidity zone. Then I open a short trade. Me and my VIP members open a short trade, and if you're among those who open their short trade, then you could have making about 50%, 60%. For me, I made about 60% profit on that because I actually opened it with actually opening with 25x leverage, right? And the signal which I post there, I actually told you guys to actually use 5x leverage, right? We actually make profit from this, and we actually short Bitcoin for the very time. Let's actually check out what is currently happening in the crypto market. This has actually happened. I'm actually going to say it over and over again. We have more levels here. We have more levels here. We have more levels here before we actually see a massive dump to the downside. Right now we create another level again. Now we currently right now we are actually creating more levels in the market. This is a very huge level that we might actually see, and we might actually see more dump to the downside. We might actually see more dump to the downside. We need to actually take the liquidity zone below this. We need to take this liquidity zone, right? Which means we need to actually break below this zone, right? Break below this candlestick, and we should look at it. We are having about $25,000 there. We are having about $25,000. We need to break below this, right? We need to actually break below this. Okay. Now, what is the? There is a very big problem if we break below this, right? And the second attention we need to pay to is breaking below this, right? We have 24,800. Like what I have been saying is that, guys, I have a good news today. If you want to start making money in the bear market and in the bull market, or you're actually in the crypto as a noble, or as a beginner, or as not beginner, I'm introducing VT token to you. Now, VT token is a token that allows you to gain profit in the bear market and also allows you to gain profit in the bear market. In order for you to actually know more about VT token, what you have to do right now is to go to the comment section. Go to the comment section. If you are watching on YouTube, go to the description of the video so that you are actually going to click the link there that's actually going to teach you more about VT token. It's going to go down to 23,000 plus. I'm going to actually tell you the reason why, right? But this is this bullish structure that the market have actually be going. Let me actually zoom into the 3 days time frame. The 3 days time frame, you can actually see that right now we are actually breaking below. This is a very dangerous sign in the crypto market, which may actually push Bitcoin to about 24,000 or 23,000 plus before actually paying attention to reversal. Then is when I'm actually going to close all my short position, and I'm also going to actually buy more coins those periods. For now, I'm staying away from the market because the market right now is looking somehow down movement, right? Actually see it has actually break the structure, right? What I'm actually paying attention to is, yes, we need to actually break this candle here. You can actually see that low candlestick there. We need to actually break below it. Once we break below it, then we can actually see Bitcoin for sure. We are actually going to come below 24,000, 23,000, right, before actually paying attention to reversal. Now another thing is there is that, why did I say this, right? If you look at the bullish structure, we have this level, right? We have this level which we need to actually break, right? Once we break this, we have another level here which we need to actually break again. You can actually see this level here give us two confirmation that Bitcoin is actually going to reverse from those points, right? I don't think Bitcoin is actually going to reverse from this point, because this is where it's actually trying to create a bearish sign here. We are actually going to go for a short we are actually going to go for a bearish sign on a short while, not a long time, for a short while, before actually paying attention to huge reversal that is going to land into the market, that is actually going to cause demand to actually massively come in the market. Then we are actually going to face the bull run in the crypto market. For now, I think the second zone I should be paying attention to is this line here, this resistance level that happened over here. You can actually see we actually need to pay attention to that, and if you should pay attention, we have three targets there, which is 24,000, 23,000, 21,000, 20,000. That is the minimum, right? Because we actually, if you look at the 1 week time frame, we are currently right now, this is a very bullish structural line. This is a very bullish structural line here, right? So we need to actually break. If we actually don't reverse from here, we need to actually touch this line, then pay attention to huge reversal that is going to actually come in the market. So guys, pay attention. But right now Bitcoin is actually creating a very sign in the weekly time frame. You can actually see in the weekly time frame, Bitcoin create a candlestick at the top. Right now it's actually creating a stick at the down, which may actually cause Bitcoin to actually face more down movement. Maybe paying attention to reversal when we get to $23,000. So guys, stop today, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to see my next video, but for now, peace out and God bless you.